Suspense continues over the reported leadership crisis in Manipur, with CM N. Biren Singh and his loyalists camping in Delhi to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah over the issue. The meeting comes amid reports that a section of BJP MLAs in the state are demanding for a change in leadership. Kakching MLA Yengkhom Surchandra stated that emotions should be overcome while protesting against Citizenship Amendment Bill. He added that the matter should be discussed thoroughly to achieve accomplishment for everyone. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev has inaugurated demo train service in 2 routes, Agartala and Sabrom and Agartala and Dharmanagar today. The service will be commercially commencing from tomorrow. The NRF authority has already declared timing of a pair demo train service. The All Assam Motor Transport Association has called for 24 hours Chakka Bandh today. The bandh started at 5 am today and will end at 5 pm tomorrow. Life in Guwahati city in Kamrup and other districts like Nagaon, Morigao, Hazo, Barpeta, among other districts of the state has come to a standstill.